to Study Guru. So today we're going to be a pro in Canva. Okay, so there are some beginners who want to learn more about Canva, and today you're going to be changing into a pro rather than being a beginner. Okay, so let's start. So Canva is not only made for presentations, videos, or anything else, but it is also made for websites and printable documents, whiteboards, so many things. But the thing is that you need to explore. If you are a beginner, please explore. Then you might be able to learn more about Canva. Look, if you press on more, you will see many more options in here. So Canva is the best presentation app in my, like, if I know, in my knowledge. And you can see there are so many different things: apps, grow, content planner, design school, dream lab. And if you go to dream lab, you can create your own images. Okay, now I'm going to pick the style to vector. You can see there are so many styles you can pick by your own, but I'm going to choose vector and my size is 16 by 9. Okay, so my prompt will be a cute girl saying hi. So that's my prompt. Make sure for the spellings. So okay, now I'm going to send it. Okay, so now it will generate for me 4 images. Okay, so you can see there it has created cute 4 images. You can just pick whatever you want. You can edit it and you can just press the 3 dots and you can see so many options. You can have these pictures. Okay, if you have premium, then you can also create videos in Canva. Okay, now let's start. So you can also create designs. Here is Canva code, magic write, remove video background, and many more things. So okay, so I have created a presentation for you so that I could explain you in here. So okay, when you're creating a big PPT, something nice, so always go to templates and search for what you are creating. Just search for I'm going to create a maths one. So I'm going to get examples in my mind. Like you can see some example, or I'm going to use this template. So I'm going to see some ideas. I'm going to use it. Okay. Now element. If you want to create your own element, so you can just go to elements, describe your prompt. Okay, so my prompt is a girl saying, hello, how are you? This is my prompt. And then if you want a graphic, you can select on graphic and generate. Okay, let me see. If you click the triangle option and I'm going to pick graphic. Okay, so now it will generate a graphic for me. But if you want a photo, then you can generate a photo. Okay, so till that, you can just see some results down there. And yeah, so I was saying that if you go to audio, it can generate you an audio. If you want mockup, it will generate mockup. If you want a video, it can generate a video. It is totally free, but it is limit. It is in limit. But if you're having a premium, then it is limitless for you, like unlimited. If you're having premium. Okay, so look, till that it has created 4 image for us. You can make an advanced prompt if you want. Look, but it looks so cute. Okay, now we're going to go to text and going to okay, so I want this font, Poppins. But I wanted to change it to more sugar. So instead I'm going to select it and then press on this option and then going to select my font. So I wanted more sugar, so it changed to more sugar. Now you don't need to like delete the text and then select the font and then type again. No need to do this. It is a shortcut. So till that you can have some colors and transparency effects, animation too. Okay, yeah, animation. So animation you can also create your own. You can use here these ones and you can also create your own animation. Select it and then you can drag your animate like your text or your element to create an animation. Look, I created it. It is for free. It might be of limit, but I don't know this. Okay. But Magic Animate is not for free, guys. Okay. Now we're going to go to okay, here. So you might know this. You can create folder in Canva and upload files, record yourself. Okay. Now I'm gonna go down. You can have some tools. You can also do this. Look, you can draw, erase anything, and you can also create folders in here. This part also. Okay, this is the most interesting feature of Canva apps. This is the most best feature I would say, because here you can search for any app. So I want a customized gradient background, so I'm gonna search for gradient in the apps. Okay, so now I'm gonna press on this. It will load. Okay, so now I'm going to add my prompt. Here you can add any prompt of yours. Yeah. So I'm going to add pink. Yeah. First we can have pink, and then in the middle we will have purple and blue, and the last. And the last. Okay, now I'm going to generate my gradient. It is going to generate for me, and you can tell that you can just see some examples. It's okay, so now it has generated, and if you don't like it, you can just customize it by your own, like this. See, I am making it horizontal or vertical. Look, you can customize it by yourself. You can have gradient types which are linear, radial, and angular. Look, radial this is, and this is radial, linear this is. Look, if you go down, you can add colors and make the colors in their side, whatever side you want, like this. And if you want, you can add some colors too. And you can adjust their position, their opacity, and look how I'm adding different colors. Just press on the gradient picker, and then the new color will be added. Look how I'm adding. You just have to take your arrow and press it. Okay, so now there's so many colors. I'm going to go down. Wait. You can see their position. You can, and also you can do the opacity. Okay, I'm going to go down and delete the colors which I don't want. Look. I'm going to delete some of the colors. Here you can adjust whatever you want for the gradient, and then I'm going to update. No, I'm going to add it in my design. And if you don't like it, you can just update your gradient. Okay, one more example I'm going to show you is of a coloring book. Okay, I'm going to add coloring page in here first. Coloring page. You can literally type whatever app you want. Apps like Pinterest, Facebook can also work. Okay, now AI coloring page, you're gonna press that and then open it. Okay, so here I'm going to add my prompt. So I want a fantasy castle with a fairy. Okay, castle with a fairy. Okay, so detail level for teens 9 to 12 years, and line thickness will be medium, and aspect ratio and number of images, it is of your choice. And if you want a color reference, then you can do it, but it costs more credits. So we're going to generate the image. Till that, you can see more of my consumer screen, and where there are so many things to explore. Canva is a big app where you need to explore everything, especially when you're a beginner. Look, here you can also have themes, everything prepared, and decorate, translate. And okay, look, our coloring page is ready. So I'm gonna add in the design in the PPT, and look. And if you want to color it, you can just take a print of it and then you can color it. And yeah, make sure to try whatever we have covered in this video. Yeah, so you can see different. I just type whatever you want in the apps option. Look, there is Pinterest and Facebook also. There is right there. You can just have any app you want, YouTube, Google, anything. Yeah, so as I was saying, please try this as a beginner. You have to try this, and don't forget to explore Canva. Bye.